Okay, guys, so what we're looking at here are the first four problems on the area of circles worksheet. And the first thing I'm going to do is in green, I'm going to write out our big area formula for this section up in the top left, and I'll just circle that also to keep it highlighted for us. So area equals pi r squared. So in the first problem here, we have 8.4 kilometers as our radius. I'll highlight that in red. So we're doing 8.4 squared pi. Now, if we quickly multiply that out, 8.4 squared, it gives us 70.56. 70.56 pi. That 70.56 is a bit of a mess already, so we may as well multiply this out. And if we multiply 70.56 by pi, we get about 221.67. And that's kilometers squared because we're dealing with area. So there's my answer for that first problem. Let's look at number two. We'll do this one in blue. So here we have 8.9 kilometers squared, times pi. So again, we're doing pi r squared. I tend to write these as r squared pi, but it's the same thing because multiplication is commutative. So if we multiply that out, 8.9 squared gives us 79.21. And we still have to multiply by pi. And that is going to give us 284.85. I'm going to round up to hundredths place because it is an 845. So I'll round up because the 5 comes after the 4, so we go up. And that's going to be, again, kilometers squared because the radius was kilometers, and we're dealing with the area here. Looking at number 8, this one's in inches. And we see a radius of 10 inches. So what we're going to do is set up 10 squared pi. Now that one I can do in my head. That's 100 pi. And if we multiply that out on the calculator, desperately need to do that, but we'll do it here. That gives us 314.16 when we round to the nearest hundredth, and that would be inches squared. Okay, and finally number 10. Here we have 4 meters as the radius, so we're going to do pi times 4 squared. I'll write it backwards this time, or I'll write it the same way it's written in the formula. And pi times 4 squared is going to be the same as 16 pi. Now, if we multiply that out on the calculator, that's going to give us 50.27 meters squared. I think we actually did that problem in the first video. So there's the first problem, first four problems for the worksheet done for you. You have to do the next 4, obviously, but hopefully this introduces you to the method well enough that you can recreate it on your own.